we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have.
Hello from the homeowners.
You know, just home property owners. It feels like we're at the beginning of everything, right? Like we got the house.
I know.
We met with some contractors. We're about to go to Home Depot and spend a lot of money on a bunch of stuff we need.
This is actually our first time at Home Depot, so we're going to do a little shopping
First
around.
of many trips.
First of many trips. But I'm planning on showing you guys everything that we're getting and doing a quick little haul.
So we went to the house and kind of walked through every room and highlighted everything that we'll need to get. So we have a pretty good list, but I'm sure we're still going to need to come back and get stuff after that.
Absolutely. But
we have a good base.
Yeah, we got measurements for like vents and stuff. Like we want to switch covers. What else? Oh yeah, outlet covers.
A bunch of painting supplies for paint. We
are in the hunt for the perfect white paint, which I did not know how.
Eggshell. Apparently that's a color.
Oh yeah, that's a finish, not the color. But I genuinely didn't know how overwhelming the white paint selections were going to be.
Why are there so many whites?
I know, there's so many shades of white.
They're all the same, I feel like.
But I found a few that apparently are people's favorites on TikTok, so I'm going to be going through those, I'm assuming, and then selecting the one that we want that way. We met a few contractors today and painters, people that fix the floor, etc.
Electrician's coming tomorrow. We're getting the well checked out. So we kind of have like a list of stuff we want to prioritize, and we're kind of knocking them off piece by piece.
Yep, little by little. Getting there shortly.
It's a process, folks.
We are, how many weeks till we have to move? 3 weeks?
November 17th, right?
So we need to speed up the process.
October 22nd, yeah. Just under a month.
But yeah, let's go to Home Depot and spend all our money.
As if we didn't already spend it.
Pretty much. Let's go see the hydrangeas. I want to see the flowers. Oh, where that?
Get out.
Is that the one that you want?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Anyways, that's not right now thing. So let's go and get what's right now, which is the hydrangeas.
No. We have a very select list of what we need. She likes to go around and just grab.
We are getting the Christmas tree. Is it a priority? Perhaps not. Is the house ready for a Christmas tree? Absolutely not.
So why are we buying it in October?
You don't want to hear negativity. Which one? Oh, this is a little scary. I'm so excited. I don't see the popular.
This is like on our priority list. This is like 0.
It's top 5.
For real though. Why do we need to buy this right now?
Because it's gonna sell out. It's
It's October.
It's a viral. People are putting their Christmas trees early.
Okay, but we have 30 other things to buy, so I don't want to spend our time doing this right now. So let's pick one and go.
No, I know.
Can I go buy the other things while you do this?
One sec, because I need your help. We found it in case you were wondering. It's the Grand Duchess.
I was real stressed.
9-foot tree.
Found it.
Honestly, I think it's the last one.
Ceilings are 9 feet tall?
I mean, we're gonna find out today.
Okay, I don't want to buy it.
No, we know. Come on, it's this one.
You're trying to be like cute and like, oh, let's just get. How much does it cost?
Happiness is priceless.
Yeah, your happiness is not the same as my happiness. I don't get happy
priceless.
from Christmas trees.
It's priceless. Thank God the price is not anywhere.
Okay, we're gonna come back for this.
No. You need to like talk to the guy. Be like, hey, can you please put our name on this? It's the last one, babe. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the only other thing we're getting that's not on our list.
I know. Happy wife, happy what?
Life. I'm miserable right now, so how does that work out? Handled that pretty well, you saw that?
This is it right here. The Grand Duchess 9-foot tree. We've only had 7.5. And I genuinely don't think it's going to fit in our house, but maybe it's just raised. Honestly. Oh, it's not. Well, we shall play that little game later. Oh no, I don't see any hydrangeas. No. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, am I right? Well, we only left with how many items did we actually get in total?
How much of that bill was your Christmas tree, honey?
Our
$750. How much was the Christmas tree?
Our Christmas tree.
$500 for a fake Christmas tree.
That's gonna last forever.
Yeah, that's
and
great.
Happiness, it's all that matters.
Yeah.
Anyways, we literally, I think we only purchased 20 items and it came out to be close to 900. So, yay to home ownership.
Oh boy, we'll be all right.
It's another day and we're back at the house. Today we're going to be working on the outside. I actually purchased this like leaf picker upper. We have so many trees that we have to keep up with the leaves, but Eric is currently building it.
I need to buy a leaf blower. The shoulder one with like the...
Oh boy. Let's show you. This is the current situation. I saw it on TikTok. It went viral and I figured it would work well. Eric doesn't really seem to like it. Why?
I'd just rather use a leaf blower. I don't
Honey.
know.
It's such a beautiful day. I am obsessed with this tree, by the way. It's going to be such a nice tree to climb. Like, it's huge. I don't think I showed you guys the garage in the empty home tour. This is what we're currently working with. We need to fix or level out this floor. And then I've been wanting to share basically our little Home Depot haul with you guys and the stuff that we've gotten so far. I just ordered this from Amazon, by the way. It's like a sander for the wall and like the popcorn staining that we have in the laundry room. So many bugs in here. It's crazy. I have to get used to it, unfortunately. The life of living in the suburbs. All right, so here we have a bunch of painting supplies. We have these 12-inch rollers. I also got the 9-inch. And then these 2Us, as well as this pack. It's a lot, but I think we'll use them all. And then I saw on TikTok this 18-inch one, and I think it's going to come in handy for the big walls. So Eric got the tall stick, and then we got 2 wooden ones. Another TikTok that I saw to cover holes really quickly is using painter's putty. It's basically like clay, and you just cover the holes, and it's quick and easy. We also got this stripping gel, some spackling. This is the pink one. And then we got these 2 kinds of caulk. So the trim and doors/windows, as well as the handle. And then the black container is for the paint for the 18-inch roller. Also on TikTok, I saw that people recommend to use these little containers with the lid. However, we didn't find the lid. So next time we go to Home Depot, I'll try to find it. But these are supposed to be great because you just put the lid on it once you're done with your project. That way you don't ruin or waste paint. We got these 2 containers of primer. However, I think it might be better if we get like the huge tub and return these 2, because I'm sure we're gonna use more than just 2, you know? We got 2 paper rolls to cover the floor. I'm sure we're gonna need more than that. Eric got a shovel. This is what he used, by the way, to make the hole for the guy to remove the septic or clean the septic. By making the hole ourselves, we basically saved $150, so Eric decided to do it himself. We got this huge rake, as well as a smaller one in the back, a metal broom, and then this one as well. All right, what else? This is trash. Oh, here we have all of Eric's tools as of right now. For his birthday, we got him the DeWalt set. This is like the one that brings all of the pieces. I think it's valued at $1,000, but I got it when the Prime deals were going on for $600, I think. So it seems to be a good deal. I really want to update this cabinet situation, but it's such a blessing to have, to be honest. But yeah, it has so much storage. These are just some leaf bags. We have a glass cleaner, Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, Lysol. These are our security cameras from Arlo. I got these 2 also on the Amazon Prime sale that they had. And then we have here the Nest thermostat. I'm not sure how many we'll need, so I got 3. I think we're going to use all 3, to be honest, but if not, I'll return one. This right here is a stud finder. We haven't set it up yet, but apparently it's an essential to have. Again, up here I got the sander. This is great to sand the walls, prep it before painting, and also great to remove popcorn ceiling or texture ceiling. I don't know what's in that bag, but we're not gonna check. Here we have the DeWalt bags. In this box we have a chandelier that I got for the office. However, I don't know if we're going to keep, to be honest. And then we have, again, the recess lights. I got 3 packs of 12, which I'm sure we're gonna use all throughout. Another thing I found on TikTok, I mean, it's been going around for a long time now, but it's this bin scrubber, great for bathrooms or just cleaning in general. Moving on to this side, we have some Bounty toilet paper. We got blue tape, and now that I noticed, we got the brand one. We should have gotten the off-brand, so it would have been cheaper. That's Eric's. We also have these gloves, cupper scrubbers, zip ties, sponge to paint. Also this for spackling, sander, and the little container, basically. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a leaf blower that they left for us. Oh, something else that we got that I find to be so useful is this little gadget right here. It basically helps you measure the walls. It's pretty cool. Like, basically it tells you exactly the dimension. I'm going to use it for the kitchen to see if we finalize the decisions. But yeah, let's see what Eric is up to. Well.
Almost done.
Seems like you've taken
this
forever.
This thing is like really complicated and has horrible instructions.
30 years later.
I don't know who designed this thing.
He's still struggling. You wanna know the fun thing? Eric loves to leave behind tools in every single project he does. For some reason, there's a spare.
It looks great.
I told Eric to start with the last tree. Apparently he didn't like the Scott's leaf picker upper, so we might return it.